Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change your T-Mobile number. First, log in to your T-Mobile account using your T-Mobile ID. Next, go to Manage Accounts. Select the line, your current phone number that you want to change. On the line details page, look for the option to change phone number. Choose a reason for changing your number under Reason for Change. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Confirm your request. T-Mobile will process the change and your new number will be activated shortly. And that's it. That's how to change your T-Mobile number. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.